Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Aprilia SXR 50, registered the 8th of August 2023, on a 23 plate, with just 3,253 miles, presented in Enigma Black and benefiting from main dealer service history. Say goodbye to mum and dad's taxi service with this superb Aprilia SXR 50, with its Italian design and unmatched performance, offering young riders a stylish, agile and efficient ride. With its robust 50C engine, modern digital instrument cluster, LED lighting and superior comfort, this scooter redefines urban commuting, delivering a smooth and exciting ride with a striking sporty look. These popular and reliable 50cc scooters never hang around for long and are always in huge demand, so snap this little beauty up before it's too late. This desirable sports scooter will leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.